all of you down, and make sure you don't move. Sit down. I didn't say you should lie down, Milo. Milo, I didn't say lie down. Sit up. Which kind of ball are you people playing by this time, eh? They don't chop finish now. Give them their snacks. Just make them take cash cruise after eating. And then they are using this plate to play ball. What is wrong with you people? Milo. Look at them. See them. Daisy. Milo, sit up. Sit up. Milo. I say you should sit up. Sit up. Daisy has the best sitting position. My beautiful Daisy. I'll not cut your hair like this next time again. Your mouth is like shoemaker. And you, Agbaya. Agbaya. Look straight into the camera. I'm talking to you. Agbaya. You are the one leading them. Hey, look at the time. Look at the time. Ivy Mugu. See this one. See this one. Bachelor. Oh. Daisy. Overfeeding. Go fit allow you sit well. Sit well before I break your head. Sit that way. You won't get sense. I say, may you sit like that. That's how you sit. Baba Oje. Ivy, behave. Daisy, behave. This is why I sent you people outside. And if I'm not constituting users, silly.